How to share multiple contacts at once on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, move into your application phone and then head over to Contact section. From here, head over to any of the contacts that you want to share. If you want to share multiple contacts, then all you gotta do is tap and hold one of the contact with 2 fingers and then drag it down till where you want to share. After that, long press the screen and then click on Share. All the 10 contacts has been selected. Now click on Done. From here, you can choose any of the social media in order for you to send these contacts. Let's say I want to send it to this person. Click on the person that you want to send and then tap on Send at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.